So let's talk about condition statements. So sometimes you'll hear it's referred to as control statements. These are basically two different words for the exact same thing. So typically, so far in our program, we've been executing each line of code from top all the way to the bottom. But suppose we want to only execute some parts of a program only when a specific condition is met. So let me give you a real world example. So suppose we walk into a shoe store, okay, and we're looking to purchase some shoes. And the person who works there tells us that if we buy 3 or more shoes, we'll get a 20% discount. So when we purchase our shoes and then we go to the checkout, the person is going to use somewhat of a condition statement to determine our price. So if we purchased only 1 or 2 shoes, the price is going to be the full price. But if we purchase 3 or more shoes, then the price will be calculated with the discount. So that's an example of how a condition statement is used in our day-to-day life. So let me show you how to create a condition statement. It will look something like this. First, we have an if statement, and then we have some brackets. And in our brackets, we're going to specify what the condition is. So here, I just want to check if 1 is greater than 0. Okay, let's just keep it simple here. Right after I finish writing this, I'll tell you exactly what each section does. So basically, everything we put in between these two curly brackets after the condition is going to be what we want to run or execute if the condition is true. But if the condition is not true, we'll compute everything that is inside the brackets after the else. So let me put something in here just to make it more clear. Okay, so let's just go over this code structure. So as you can see here, the condition that I'm checking for is 1 is greater than 0. And if it is true, then I'm going to do whatever is in this block. Okay. Otherwise, we'll do whatever is in this block over here. So this is just some pseudocode to help you understand the structure, but let me show you some real code. So here we have an authentication program, okay? What we're doing in this program is first asking the user to enter a PIN number. And then once the user enters the PIN number, we're going to assign it to a variable called PIN number. And then we use our condition statements here to check to see if the PIN number is equal to 9606, then we run whatever is in this block. Otherwise, we run whatever is inside the else block.